Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's zTizzle, and today I'm going to be showing you something new. This is going to be just a video of me showing you what I think the best coding application for Mac and PC is. So here it is. It's called Sublime Text 2. To get it, we'll just head over to Google. I'll provide you a link in the description, but Sublime Text 2, and here it is. And you can see what it says here. It must be downloaded and evaluated for free. It can be, but you have to purchase a license. It's free, basically. Just once you've used it enough, let me just make a new file. Whoops, that was minimize. Oops. Okay. But command new. Once you've used it for a long time, it pops up a little thing. This is you have to purchase it, but you just click cancel and you keep using it. But as you can see here, it says unregistered. But so I've not bought it at all, but you can get it for Mac, for Windows 64-bit, and for Linux 64-bit and 32-bit. But like you saw it a bit earlier, here it is. This is just some Unity script in it. It says JavaScript, but I mean that's the format that Unity script is in. You've got the really cool thing is I'll show you this. If you go to where is it? Preferences and then color scheme. You can change the color scheme to whatever you want. I'll just change it to lazy, and you can see it makes the background white, changes some of the colors of the words, and like different words give you different colors. So variable gives you that, true and false give you that. My favorite is the one I was using earlier. It is, I think it's the default one. It was it? I believe it was that. Yeah, that's it. And there's also a lighter version of it. I'll show you it. It is that changed nothing. I may have changed the background color a little bit, but anyway, you can see variable, true, false. Any of these, well, not any of them, but like exclamation point, question mark doesn't do anything. I believe, yeah, dollar sign does, and does, equals does, plus does, minus does. Any of your numbers make it purple. And it's really nice. Like, this is just Unity script, but, oh, and wait, that's just me. That's my personal preferences. But, you can go in here and you can select what you're typing in over here. I'll just choose HTML real quick. Type up a little bit of HTML. You can do whatever you want with it, and it automatically does stuff like this. Like, it's really nice because it doesn't automatically type both of them for these, but whenever you press enter, you can set your title. This is the title. And there you go, it automatically moves it back over for you, and you can see, I'll just do the HTML tag, and you can see whenever you click on this, it shows you the first one and the last one. And also, if you select something, it shows you all the other places where it is. So if I just go over here and select variable, it shows me all the variables I've got. If I choose like player, I can see where I've used player. And it's just really nice because it just does a lot of nice things for you. So I can also go in here. I believe this will work. Yeah. So if you type a parenthesis, it automatically types the other one for you. Also works with whatever that is, and with whatever that is. What else? It doesn't do it with this. I don't know why. It really should, but I just don't know. Now, there are other coding applications that are better for certain code. Like, I wouldn't want to write. Well, it wouldn't be bad, but for Java, I'd rather use something like Eclipse. But for just general code writing and for like writing my Unity script stuff like this, it's really nice because it just does a lot of nice things for you, and it really looks nice. Like HTML, here's HTML, here's the Unity script. We'll just close out of that. If we want to, we can go into Applescript, and as you can see, there's a ton of different codes that it supports. Pretty much any code you can do, like HTML, JavaScript, Objective C, Python, Um, I mean, what else do you need? C, C sharp, C++. I mean, really anything. And it's also just good for general text editing. But if you want to do Applescript in it, tell application. Oh, it also does. I forgot to tell you this. It does quotation marks automatically for you. Also, it types the second one for you. But tell application finder. I actually just wrote an application like this. I guess it doesn't do it in AppleScript, but you can just press tab to go over um, quit and tell. And it just does, it's just really nice and it looks really nice. And then you can save your AppleScript as, and then, you can do anything with it. Now, I would like for you to be able to like run your code in this, but that'd just be too hard for them because it supports all these codes. I mean, it's that'd just be too much. This is a lot like what is it? TextMate. I mean, I'll just show you this real quick. I like this. I like Sublime better, but they're about the same. I mean, just compare how these two look. They're basically the same. So we'll just quit out of that, don't save. And that's really about it. I just wanted to show you guys what I use to do pretty much all of my coding. For AppleScript, I do prefer using just the AppleScript editor because as soon as I type something up, like tell application, that see, AppleScript editor doesn't type the other one for you or anything, but finder, oops, quit until we can compile that. As you can see, it quits out of Finder. That's the reason I like this better for like something like AppleScript, and I'd like something like Eclipse better for Java because you can run it right there instead of having to type it up and then like open it AppleScript editor. But for something like UnityScript or just if you want a coding application like HTML for pretty much any code that will work good for you, Sublime Text works really good, and it is for PC, Mac, and Linux, so it'll work anywhere. So, thank you for watching, and comment, rate, and subscribe for more.